Life is full of uncertainty. To be honest, nothing can be taken for granted because there is no guarantee of even the next moment. We do not know what holds tomorrow except God alone. In the Bible, the Apostle James wrote, "Whereas you do not know what will happen tomorrow. What is your life? It is just a vapor that appears for a little while and then vanishes away." St. James reminds us of the brevity or the shortness of life. He describes it as a vapor that appears for a little while and then it's forever gone. A vapor can never be captured once it is released and never recaptured once it disappears. It has been a year and a half since the world was suddenly shaken by the deadly coronavirus, now officially being referred as COVID-19, which was declared pandemic by the WHO since March 11, 2020. No country in the world had been spared of the scourges of this pandemic. From great cities to remote villages throughout the world, people had been agonizing the effects of the deadly virus, which has mutated by today into various variants and has globally infected 225,537,448 people and brought 4,645,319 deaths as of today, September 13, 2021. As the pandemic continues to vibrate throughout the globe, this small town called Dongongan in the district of Penampang, Sabah, Malaysia has also not been spared of the dangers and miseries that COVID-19 has brought along its path, with number of new infections spiking up tremendously. The government, in its effort to control the spread of the virus, had on number of occasions imposed lockdowns, but this last lockdown came with more severe restrictions, as can be witnessed with the installation of military barbed wires in town. It is lockdown indeed. We stay home to stay safe. As many offices are closed, people have to work online from their homes. Many shopping malls are also closed, including the open Sunday market. And when people run out of provision and cash, as many are out of employment, a white flag is raised to alert their neighbors, including the authorities, of their hardship. Public recreational parks, schools and places of worship are all closed. As we journey on this road of uncertainty, let us not lose hope. But turn to God for help and protection. Amen.